Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Greetings from Africa. You are welcome to the Easy More Show. May Amadioha bless you people. Wakanda forever. Wakanda is ruler. Hey, Iguala Iguala. You are welcome to the Easy More Show. There's this new song now. People are falling and dying. I think the inspiration came from MFM. I don't know. It's only one people. Let me Kukuma use this opportunity. All Biafra people, I greet you. The producer say I should apologize. I apologize. People should not be angry. Nnamdi Kanu may live wrong as possible. Thank you. Thank you for your forgiveness. Let us move to today's news. My hidden agenda for the end of this program makes me happy, you know. Okay. Ofloto poloto. Ofloto poloto. Yes, that is the new in tongues. Show me the news.
President Buhari departs for France to attend peace forum.
This man would not cease to amaze all of us. This man is in Agbaya. Even the witches, sorry, even the witches, they are angry with you because you have fried more than them. Fry here, fry here, fry here. Are you a pirate? What is your problem? Hi, you are going to palace pieces or to whatever. They are your own country. Is there peace inside? There is no peace. It's also shit everywhere. That is why Trump the other time said it's a shit hole. Because there is no peace in this country. Who are you? Who is he even waving to? Bye-bye. Don't come back. That is their wish for you. But if you look at it very well, it's like this man has to know that 2019 election is not for him. So Kokoma say, let me fresh now. Let me fresh very well before, you know, Atafuele. It's good. As you go, don't come back. Just go. And before we know now, if we go to palace, the traveling is not the problem. If we reach there now, he will go and disgrace us as usual. You know, we don't hear him speak here. It's there, he will go and speak and disgrace Nigeria. No problem. Continue. Your days in that presidential seat are numbered. Thank you. Let us move to another news. I am trying as much as possible to make this one like 15 minutes news. Sharp. No time. Yeah, let us go. Ovlum. Show me the news.
Dunyo Kupe's son joins Obasanjo's son to support Buhari.
Wow. It's like every son of politician is just becoming foolish. Mr. Martin Buhari. But you should also know that the family is family because your father refused to pay you power back like that idiot got for his son. You now got angry. Now went to say you want to support him. It's not fair. It's not good. But if you look at it way, upon all the degree that this idiot, this man's son, has acquired, that is to tell you that it's not education, that your education means that you have sense. Look at Nnamdi Kanu too. All the education now. I did not say anything. No. Before we know now, they will start to say, Eze Mose. It is not fair. Let us try as much as possible. And if you look at it now, it's like every politician, their son does not have sense. Buhari is making no sense. Obasanjo, that monkey in Peking too, no sense. Now, don't you Okpokpo, what is your name? No sense. Before we know now, I don't know. Maybe Peter Obi's son too will lose his senses. We don't know. Or Atiku, does Atiku have Pekin?
Of course.
It has a Pekin. Before we know, says Atafwere from their head. I don't understand. After all, he is a grown man and he has a right to make bad choices. Simple. Thank you. Let us move to another news because I don't have much time. You know, not like I don't have much time like Buhari, like in this show. Yes. Let us move to another news. Show me the news.
Federal government renames Black Maria as Green Maria, approves 1.5 billion for new vans.
We have been looking at it very slowly. What happened to the green one? Sorry, what happened to the black one? It is no. So it's because of paint. Paint that you used to paint motor. If you want to do oven bake is not more than 100,000. Now you want to use 115 billion to buy new motor. You say it's Green Maria. Why can't you just paint the black one to green? Simple arithmetic. So now you are telling me now that you are going to spend 30 million for the new Green Maria. Hi! Now wow, this country, it's like they are looking for ways to bring money. They are going to use to learn for. See, look at it. Even Ishima is surprised. They are looking for ways to bring money to learn for erection. Looking ways to use money to chop your. Hi! Now what? Whether it is a Black Maria or Green Maria or Bro Maria or Auntie Maria or Uncle Maria, it is not our family's portion to enter this motor. God forbid, it will not work. What rubbish? Because I know some of you, like that one, Tony Ume, that have been playing, and Faith Ume, that have been playing, that they will arrest you. They will arrest your family. In fact, as they are buying the Green Malia, as they are painting the Black Malia Green, you will be the first customer. Rubbish. It's like now, they are making life very, very comfortable for criminals. I don't understand. Oh, you have 115 billion to buy Green Malia, but you cannot pay minimum wage of 30,000 naira. It is like Buhari Bubu has plans for his opposition party to go to places in comfort. They will go and fry the flag while going to places. It's good. It's good. Keep deceiving people that don't have sense. Those who are shouting, say Baba, say Baba. Don't worry. See what say Baba is doing. Acquire. All of you, don't worry. Biko, let's move to another news. I don't want to. I'm becoming agitated like a Kanam de Karu. No, I don't want to be agitated. Let us move to another news, Biko. Nanjas Glaciers. I'm just yelling, placing. Show me the news, Biko.
Benue State Governor Autumn spotted enjoying meal of akara and pap at a local village joint.
I just want to use this opportunity for those of you that will fall for this clique they have been using since the time of that Sikra is a good president. Yahadua. Before even that monkey OBJ even used this clique. Before you know now, we will see Davido's uncle. Okay, that one has lost election. There's no need for him to be buying a body in the load side. We will see. Peter Obi or Atiku fetching water from where? We don't know. I don't know what people. If you look at the picture very well, Chile, look at the picture. Look at only him is chopping. That is to tell you this one will chop alone. Other people are just standing looking like monkey, looking like what I don't know. If you don't do, he is chopping. That is to tell you this one will chop alone. Oh, it's cabinet. Sheshi, you will not see. But if this one should have used sense like, what is that? The way, you didn't do it very well. You should, if you want to do something like this, let me just advise you sharp. You do it like a year before the, not a year, 2 years, no. Let's say 1 year and a half before the election. Look at Femi Otedora. He knew he went to enter Morwe because he knew that in the next few months, in the next 1 year, I'm going to run for election. But you know, Nigerians are now wise. It did not work for him. His entering of Morwe was a Morwe waste. That is before we know. The daughter started singing, work. No work for you. There is no work. With this kind of song, nobody will give you a job to do. Well, let us go back to the main news. Bia, Nigerians, open your eyes. Don't vote for people like this. Thank you. Let us move to another news because, hi, the heat here, Oga Bomado here. Now what? Hey, what? Bia, show me the news.
Presidency denies Barry endorsed 30,000 minimum wage.
So come on, this one is a Yahoo boy, you. It's a Yahoo hold president. Bravo. So you intentionally said you approved it before because that one, what is his name? Felicity Charles from Wales, is it Wales, Habishak, is coming to Nigeria. You now use that one to stop us from slacking. Hi, sharp guy. Since all the 3 years of your time, this is the one thing you do with sense. But it is negatively sensitive. Is that even a good way of... You understand? Bia, Buhari, is 1K, 1,000 naira per day too much to ask for? And it is you that approved them to buy 115 billion Brak Maria, Big Glen Malia. Hi! This country. Boo, you have sense. It's good. But Bia, if you did not endorse it, is it my father that endorsed it? Or is it Nnamdi Kanu that endorsed it? Please don't. Now wow, it's like you have been tapping small current from Rai Mohammed. No problem. It's all good. We will just accept this, the 2019. Then we won't accept it again. Let me even check if my PVC is here. It is here. I used to check it every day so that I will not lose it. Or the Buhari will accept people to take my... you know. It's good. No problem. Continue. Let us move to another news because... Unagbo kuku. Better pikin. Show me the news because...
Federal government spends 3.5 million feeding El Zazaki monthly. Lai Mohammed.
Sulamanya. Hi. Rai Mohammed. How many times did I call your name? Don't bother answer because you will even write about it. Yeah, it's like this man, the only truth about you is your name. Hi! So, wait, is it elephant that he is chopping? That is, you are telling me now that this is Zakizaki. We chop 115,000 naira per day. Inside prison. It's like now in Nigeria, it pays to be a criminal because criminals are enjoying. Hi! Rai Mohammed, Bia, come. So now, after riding this, you have mind to ride this kind of ride. And you will have mind to sleep well at night. You shall have sleepless nights. In fact, it's like you will sleep and not wake up. Because come and arrest me and be feeding me like this. I will not shop up to 3.5. 1.5 million is enough for me. Because I am washing my weight. You know. But Bia, this is shite reader that these people are saying that is in prison. Let them show us a picture or video that is even alive. Because for this kind of 3.5, it's like you're using this man to shop money. Hi. Right, Mohammed, continue. No problem. The way you have right, all this right that you are right, I wonder if the devil will even have right to right again. If even devil see you, he will be shouting, right, Baba, Shamawa. You are good, it's good. Now you have like a 2 duplex or 3 duplex in fire. No problem, continue. No problem. Me, I have demolished my own. If you like, you can buy my land in fire. No problem. Just pay me from the 3.5 million you are using to feed that idiot. Sorry, that is a reader. No problem. Bia, it is not as if we don't have good news. Oh. There is good news. Show it to them. Michelle Obama, she gave birth to these beautiful young ladies through IBM. Sorry, it's not IBF. Through HIV. That does not sound like it. Through IVF. Yes, she gave birth to this beautiful, and they are not SS or AS. They are AA. They are very, very agile, like me. You know. And we also have our very own. Peter Doce got endorsed by a new anti-malaria drug medicine. I don't know the name. But it's good news. You know. If you know the hardship of this country, it's good news. If you know the hardship of this country, you will know that even if it is even 10,000 they paid him for this job, it is something. Because at all, now him body pass. Peter Doce, you surprise me, Sha. But it's also, I celebrate with you. I would not say you should wash it, because if you wash it now, we don't know how much will remain from your pocket. You know, because now, your son is not featuring again. Even you too, I don't know. Let us move to the final news. Ishiri Pump. They say I should not be hitting Ahmadiyya again. Okay. Ishiri Pump.
Nigerian army refuses to fly soldier abroad after hospital performs wrong surgery.
Yeah. Are these people crazy? Look at how they are here in Bere. Pieces is in Bere like a stockfish. Now to fry him abroad. If it was that goat, if it is his son that was driving Okada, sorry, power back and push, which is our player. Wouldn't they fry him to Obodo Yibo? Sharp. In fact, they won't fly the doctor to come to Nigeria first before they fly him back to Obodo Yibo. Now, even the idiots now, the money that you should have cut small and give to this man to fly to receive treatment, you use it to go for palace sleep or peace, I mean, what peace or shit, whatever. I'm angry. Don't you know this is somebody's child? Yeah? If it was article speaking now, no, that one have thief money before. He would have used the money he thief to fly him. But if it was who can I even pronounce? There is not legitimate. If it was a good rock, no, that one too thief money. But he thief it well. We were all enjoying when he thief it. There is not good politician again. That is why I am not going to support any politician. If I'm going to vote anybody, I'm going to vote for myself. What rubbish? Somebody's life. The person that dedicated his life to fight for this country. Now, it's inside the country to fight for his life now. They cannot fight for it. Ah, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hi. May God protect you. Assuming I can do juju now. Maybe I use Raf Mayo, do broad money, I send to you. Yeah, let us quickly move to another news before my mood will spoil here. Hi. Underline what? Underline what? I saw it there now, so I use it for incantation. Show me the news.
Security agencies should arrest hate speech makers. Buhari.
Yeah. Boo-boo. For this thing you said, they need to arrest you first. Because you have put hate in the mind of the masses. Because they all hate you now. And they have put fear too. Because they are afraid that you will leak it and become president again in 2019 election. So you have done both. They need to arrest you first. Yeah, what happened to the one good thing that Goodluck Jonathan even did? freedom of speech. So we should not be able to speak. You are a military man. No matter how hard you try to dodge it, you cannot dictate for us. Those times that you will talk, even now, children, they don't do dictation in school. You now want to come here and dictate to us. We should not feel. Come and arrest me now. After law, I will be chopping 3.5 million per day. It's good. Sorry, per month. Come and arrest me. In fact, I'm going to drop my number now. Yeah, Ralph Major. Let me drop my number so that they would, as I'm calling it, put it on the screen. 070 25 AB QR bomb. That is my number. Put it in the screen. Call me. Come and arrest me. I'm not afraid of either anybody. You all those people that I don't know. Before I drop, okay, let me just even drop the words of wisdom, because let us move sharp. I said I won't waste much time. Words of wisdom. Yeah. If you are ugly, but you have good character and you have good behavior, you are still ugly. Thank you. Let us move to did you know fact. Yeah, Emma, did you know that this year in during Buhari's, I want to point it out, during Buhari's regime, there is not MTM project film. There is no Martina Dance Hall. There is no Gouda Ultimate Search. There is no grossing. Hi. If you don't know the level of poverty in Nigeria, I think this one will make you know. Thank you. Before I go, I just want to point this out. I don't know any Biafra leader except Ojukwu. And Ojukwu is dead. I do not know who erected that one that is in Israel. Thank you. I did not mention anybody's name. So wanyo, if you want to attack me in peace. Because now it's like me too. I will go to palace for peace.